everybody? Hope everybody's doing well. So, in my hand, I hold a golden ticket. I've got a golden ticket.
'Cause I've got a golden ticket. I've got a golden ticket.
So, I'm blessed to be able to worship with an awesome congregation, a little southern congregation in good old Detroit, Alabama, little bitty old place, and good old Kingsville Church of Christ. And there's a bunch of amazing people there, and especially amazing women. And with the amazing women, of course, comes wonderful food. And for years, I've been wanting a good hush puppy recipe. I've tried many recipes and no luck. It's just, they weren't good. Bad texture, not good taste. So I've just been on the look, tried them on my own, just no luck. Tried mixes and no luck. But a wonderful woman that I worship with there, she said, yeah, I've got one, and she's a fantastic cook anyway. She does the best fried pies too that I've ever had. And I know what you're saying. You're saying, no, my grandma or my mom makes them, but let me tell you, you're lying. You haven't had hers yet, so hers are better. But she said, yeah, I've got one, and she was gracious enough to give me one. And I done some pimento cheese, and my mom had took them over there to them too. She's like, oh, this is the best pimento cheese I've had. I was like, it's just pimento cheese. I felt kind of honored that she thought it was good. Even though it's just pimento cheese. And if y'all want my recipe, I've got a video for pimento cheese too. It's easy. But yeah, I got a golden ticket here of a recipe for hush puppies. I've done it before, did them, and posted in my community tab about doing them, and how Paula Dean didn't have anything on this woman's hush puppies. So someone has asked about a recipe for them, and I was like, yeah. So I knew I was going to do them anyway, so went ahead and I've done them again. So they're pretty straightforward, but hey, a lot of times recipes that are straightforward and easy are some of the best anyway. So starts off with 1 cup of cornmeal, and with the cornmeal, don't do any self-rising, anything like that, just straight cornmeal. And I think it was yellow cornmeal, I'm pretty sure. I mean, half a cup of flour, and with the flour, it can be self-rising. Then 2 tablespoons of baking powder, a tablespoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a cup of buttermilk, 1 egg, and then 1 onion, finely chopped. And then once you have all that, you'll get your dry together. So your meal, flour, baking powder, salt, sugar, get all that together, whisk it good, get it mixed, and then you'll add in your wet, so your buttermilk, egg, and onion. Get that mixed up good, and then she says to use shortening as well, so Crisco, stuff like that. Get it up to 350, and then drop it in by the little teaspoonful and until they get good and golden brown there, and boom, there you have it. And you see something else as well. If you got hush puppies, what do you have to have? Class, fried catfish, especially from the South. If you got some hush puppies, you gotta have some fried fish to go along with them. So, well, I should have done one naked without the ketchup first. So, good little hush puppy. Great texture. They're not too grainy, not too packy. Got a good, I don't know, a little spring sponge to them. Then the onions in there. And then of course the corny kind of flavor from your cornmeal. And this little touch of salt. Kind of the tanginess with the buttermilk too. It's the way to go. We're making hush puppies. They are the best. They are good. Got a little ketchup here. I should have made some tartar sauce, but just went with ketchup. And there's a good old catfish. I know it's gonna be good. I'm scared it's gonna be hot still, because the first bite I got. Because if you're cooking, you always gotta be sampling. So I grabbed me a piece of fish, and whoo, it was hot. I was like, whoo. But y'all, I mean, look at that. Pretty. So, I don't take any of the credit on these. I was just the cooker of them. I mean, they turn out pretty. They hold their shape good. Not packy or anything. That little oniony flavor in there. Everything you want in a hush puppy, right here. So good. So now, if y'all need a hush puppy recipe that'll wow, and that's good, you can thank the lovely lady that I went to church with. I won't say her name because prophets used to have, and I don't like giving out folks names and stuff without them giving permission. So y'all know where it come from. The sweet, wonderful lady in good old Alabama. But what would you expect? We breed them good here in Alabama. Plenty of national championships, everything. We just got it all. I'm just being stupid. But anyways, that's a good old hush puppy recipe for y'all. I definitely recommend making these. They are the best hush puppy recipe I've ever had, ever made, anything. So again, a little golden ticket here. Cup of the cornmeal, plain cornmeal, yellow cornmeal, half a cup of your self-rising flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, half a cup of buttermilk, 1 egg, and then 1 onion finely chopped. And it's about a medium small size on the onion. And then again, mix the dry together, and then mix the wet in. Get your shortening up to 350. Fry until beautiful golden brown. And just kind of keep them rolling around a little bit with a spider, a slotted spoon or something. Boom, there you go. They are delicious, wonderful, amazing, best hush puppy you'll ever have. They are. But anyways, I'll let y'all go so y'all can make these hush puppies now. So thank y'all so much for watching, y'all. I really do appreciate your time and watching whatever I'm doing. So thank you. So y'all like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And hey, when you do, welcome on into the Head to Tail family. We'll love you and welcome you on in. So thank y'all again, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. They good.